morning. Welcome back, lads and ladettes. Well, a beautiful frosty morning she is. Frost lifted. It's mid-morning now and I'm getting to the digger pretty much. As you can see behind me maybe. Yeah. That was the cause of 80 mil of rain as I was on holidays one Saturday night. And I decided to come across my track and into my drain and take my fence out too. So yeah, the joys of natural causes, I suppose. I don't know, freak weather conditions and all the rest. This is the major one. There's a wee one further up the track too that need to clear. Couple other wee bits and pieces, but yeah, I'll probably have to get to that with the tractor and loader sometime, and make an access through. They've just slipped enough that we can't get a bike over, pretty much. Yeah, a lot of culverts blowing out. I have about 6 to fix up. There's about 3 that are pretty much nearly blown out altogether. And yeah, thankfully, before I went on holidays, I was been away for a month. I was hoping to rush around and fix a couple of culverts up to make them safer, and I'm quite glad I didn't, because it would have been a waste of time. There's a lot of people else that got caught out too for the same thing. But anyway, enough shit or chatter. We'll get into it. boys and girls, we've broke a path through. That's the second last load from here. I've one in front of the digger, and then it'll be on to breaking through this one. Pretty much one more load, that there, and then tackle that there. Now I'm hoping to maybe try and break a path through here quicker, because there's a pond up further, probably 300 meters up, that I could dump at. And if I can break a path through and enough room for me to put the digger out of the way, I could do one load up that way, turn around, and then come this way, the way I'm going, rather than trying to reverse, you know, the whole way up to there and so on and so on. I sort of get sick of reversing a bit and sore screwing around, but anyway, it's lunchtime. I'm getting hungry. An empty sack does not stand on its own. The last time I tried, and yeah, I'm waiting for some food. Dump this first, right enough. Alright, so neighbour dropped off an escapee to me. All my other ewes are showing, I think the proper word is. But yeah, so this one needs clipped. Keep up the rest of them. Now I don't have a winter comb like the rest of them. I only have a summer comb, which is a bit thinner, and a few more teeth in the comb, while the other one sort of nearly missed one. But yeah, needs must. I'm going to do as much as what I have, and it's your own fault for escaping and not getting John with the rest of them. So done her, she'll do the job. It's good frosty, dry weather, so, and she'll be going down to the river paddock with plenty of shade and plenty of grass, so she'll soon keep warm and all. And if not, then she'll just have to eat more and yeah, make a few close friends and hurdle into them. But anyway, we will get you up on the grating, get the handpiece set up, and yeah, start clipping you. Generally, if I have sheep to shear, I take them to the wool shed, but for just one, I'm going to use my trusty handy piece. I'm going to swap the battery out for a fully charged one, because Murphy's Law and all that, I can guarantee you I would run out on that one halfway through. Hopefully this is properly charged. Anything's possible. I might jinx myself now, but no, I won't connect that in yet. Yeah. Plus the shears have taken all the down drives, worm drives, whatever you want to call them, off the motor heads. So because they bring their own yeah, pretty much they bring their own gear now, you know. So yeah, I can't really be bothered setting that up either, just for one ewe. By the time I get her up there and stuff, I'd nearly have her done here. So it's the beauty about the handy piece. You can do them anywhere. I love mine. We use it all the time, dagging lambs, dagging the ewes through the race wall too. Pretty much. If there's only a handful, I've seen me doing it in the cattle yards, waiting for lambs to or ewes to go onto the truck. If there's a few that needed doing, I'd just get them in there and do them there rather than run them through here. It's a great job. Anyway, set up the handpiece. Comb is getting down a bit. I think that's okay. Oh, I suppose I didn't bring any oil with me. Oh well. Bit of spit might have to do. Yes, there's oil in here. Oh, not much. There's not much. I like a wee bit of oil right enough. Bit of lube did no harm for a handpiece. Well, connect the battery in, I suppose now. It would help. Hey, Leo, and then you get your Brazilian. Turn it up a bit. Slippy hand. Sounds about right. You don't want her too tight and you don't want her too loose either, so. But right, we'll catch you. Go in. And I'll take you out here because it'll be easier to do you out there than in here. Because if you kick, you'll probably break something or fall over. Okay? You happy with that now? Yeah? You don't need to explain that again, no? Okay. Right. I want to do your feet too, because she's lame on one. Oh, she's warm now after that. Lovely day out there, lovely morning, frost this morning again. But yeah, that's her done. I'll let her go so she can dander down to the rest of them. I'll put her away tonight. Yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, catch you in the next one.